Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 12th of August 2024. It's 12:26 a.m. Eastern Time. And right now I'm in a live trade on gold. And I'm just trading in the ETH these days because I'm really dealing with something right now, so I can't really um wake up early to trade these RTH sessions. But anyway, let's get to this trade here. This is a bowling green strategy. You could see here, let me just pull this out a little bit, use some arrows. All right, so that's -3, that's -2, and that's -1, right? VWAP deviation. This is VWAP. This is +1, +2, right? So let me just open this up a little bit now. And this is how the strategy works, right? So this is the bowling green strategy. When price comes down into these levels here, especially between -1 and -2 and -1 VWAP, you get this accumulation, like a little accumulation phase happening. Now this one came all the way to Camaria. I mean VWAP -3 VWAP, right? So let me just use the arrows, -3 VWAP, right? So we got two touches on -3 VWAP. We got buyers. They took it past -2 to -1, consolidated a little bit there, and I took a long right there. Now that was the first attempt. Got stopped out here. Tried to switch to a short right here, because this is another strategy where I call it the 360 fire, right? So sometimes the failing of the bowling green strategy, which is a breakout reversal strategy, you get like this rejection right here at -1, and you get the sellers, right, taking it down to create like a downtrend. But in this case that didn't work, so a failed bowling green pullback, right, stopped out, tried the 360 fire short, stopped out here when it pulled back across above -1 VWAP, and then I went long here for the bowling green again. So this could have been a better little entry, but it's flipping a position, you know what I'm saying? So right, so went long there. See, we consolidated auction below VWAP a little bit, so I think I just exited the trade right there. I took profit right there. But anyway, we had this consolidation between -1 and VWAP, a nice little auction, broke out above VWAP. Nice sellers came in here. I thought it was gonna spoil the trade, but then the buyers came back in, and oh, actually, I'm still in the trade. All right, good. So when we pull back to VWAP, and this is actually, let me just show you something that's happening here. This is the European Open at 1 a.m., right? And actually on gold it's at 12 o'clock. So these new VWAPs are anchored to the European session. These here are anchored to the ETH session, right? So we're going to see these purple lines now with their deviations coming into play. Now, what we're working with is off of the trade, which is, this is +1, right? +1 VWAP, the red dash line. So just explaining what these purple lines are, these pink lines right here. That's the VWAP anchored from the ETH, I mean the European session open. But anyway, what we're looking at here is +1, right? So we're in this long trade here, bowling green from, let me start over again. Let me just show that. We're coming all the way from -1 breakout for the reversal, auction below VWAP a little bit, pushed above, consolidated here before the European session open, took off again, broke above +1, right? So we're riding above +1 there, and they just hit my take profit here. So take profit was hit at this high liquidity right here. I just put my take profit at this heavy liquidity right here at +2 VWAP, which was roughly around 24.70. Right, so that was the trade right there. It's basically a bowling green strategy reversal. It's a -1 breakout when you get the accumulation between -1 and -2, which you got here. It even came down to -3. You got that accumulation there, pushed above -1, and then we got the pullback and then the breakout, right? So executed the buy right here at let's see, 2465.6, and took that up to 2470.1, right? So that was the trade right there, man. You know, just working on perfecting this bowling green strategy and getting back my health in order, man. You know what I'm saying? So everything is a test in life, you know what I mean? And you know, you gotta give thanks to Yahuwah for all his blessings and mercies. And this stuff here isn't as important as Yahuwah, you know what I'm saying? So all glory and praises to Yahuwah for, you know, all that he's done for me. And I'll just continue working on this trade and stuff, and just pray that Yahuwah blesses my hands with success. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So it's Malak Shalomo. That was a demonstration of a live trade using the bowling green strategy. And it's a reversal strategy where there's an accumulation between -2 and -1 VWAP deviation. Then you get the breakout. You take the long on -1 breakout, and you take that up to at least +1 VWAP, right? Or possibly like how I got here up to +2, right? See that right there, highlighting it right there, that red dash line. You see to the right, it says +2. So that's exactly where the trade got to. You know what I'm saying? And we had heavy liquidity right there to absorb those orders right there that's coming into that area, right? So you can see that someone is paying attention to this +2 VWAP because that's where they put the liquidity. You know what I'm saying? And this is also value area high. So let's go to current price action, and this could be now a rejection area here for price to pull back down before we go bullish tomorrow and stuff like that. But anyway, just a demonstration of my bowling green strategy using Bookmap, the order flow, and I hope it was useful. And obviously, this is not trading advice. You gotta develop your own strategies and back test them. That's stuff that I've did to kind of develop this strategy. And every strategy has to kind of work with your own personality. So you might take someone else's strategy and kind of redefine it to make it yours. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. It's Malak Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.